Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing analysis on IDEX. This analysis is a very strong one and is a quick update for traders holding IDEX, and you will see the next target where IDEX is going. You will get an entry price and you will also know how to manage your position. Let me get into this analysis in detail. I'll start by showing I'll start from point 2 to point 3. When IDEX created the resistance around point 2, was the resistance zone, and it dropped to point 3, an area which it marked as support. Then it traded sideways, it dangling between the 3 moving averages before it finally find its foot on the 200-day moving average line, where volume coming heavily, and it sent IDEX upward to point 4, where it also find another resistance. Then it has already break above resistance point 2. It has now established a new territory at point 4, and now it's coming back to retest the prior resistance zone, which is now acting as support. As it's trading towards this support zone, I want you to watch very closely, because there are critical things happening in this area. First and foremost, it hit the 21-day exponential moving average and it stopped the downward pressure. It ranged on it a little bit, and now it's coming back to the 50-day moving average. What this is telling us is that the downward pressure has been subdued and is being reduced. So it's now just trying to get its feet on the ground before it has a bounce up, both from volume and an upward closing bar that can send IDEX back upside. Now our focus is on the 50-day moving average, which is the black line. The price is heading towards that zone. Once it touches that area, or it traded within the 50-day moving average, we will be checking 2 things on our chart: an upward volume above average volume and an upward closing bar that close near the peak of its range. That will confirm that the price is bouncing up from the 50-day moving average. But in some cases, it might drop a little bit below it. It might even come down to retest the 200-day moving average at 0.5. If it finally come to 0.5 to retest it, that's also fine. All we need is for it to either touch the 50-day moving average, bounce up from there, or it should come to the 0.5 at the 200-day moving average and also find a support from there. And when it finds support from there, we expect we will put in our trade either from the 50-day moving average or the 200, and immediately it rise to 0.4 and rise above the previous peak at 0.4, which is around 0.136280. We will also add more to our position, because that will let us know that the uptrend in IDEX has resumed. And how do we get our projection? We have to measure the distance that occurred earlier as our projection. This is the last rally that occurred, so we have to measure the distance of the rally to 0.4. That's about 160% increase. That will determine our targets when IDEX finally rise to 0.4 and break out from 0.4. Then we will target 160% increase, which is around 0.350000. That will be our target on IDEX. So watch closely. Immediately the entry price kick off from a upward closing bar and above average volume, we enter our trade. Add more at 0.4. That's the rule for entry and adding more to our position. And our target has also been stated on the chart. So this is a beautiful trade. Add it to your watch list and follow accordingly as it's going. If you like this analysis, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, paste it in the video comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.